Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're doing a phone repair. Now I do these quite often as I buy broken phones on eBay, fix them and then sell them, but I just never really make any videos of me doing this. I'm going to start doing it and I'm going to make a second channel dedicated to tech repairs so my main channel can stay towards tech tutorials and unboxing videos. But for now, as that channel is brand new and probably won't get any views or anything, I'm going to be posting it on both. So if you want to see more tech repair videos, go follow the new channel. Hello guys, welcome to the first video on this new YouTube channel where I'm just going to be doing tech repairs. So yeah, let's get into it. So I've got this iPhone 8 here and basically, as you can see, it has a cracked screen and the battery health is 77. So what I'm going to be doing is changing the screen, as even though the crack isn't bad, it still needs to be done, and I'll be changing the battery. So here I have the new screen and the new battery. So yeah, let's get into it. And there we go. That is the iPhone 8 fixed and fully working, ready for me to put on eBay and Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys come back for another one. Bye.